human beings are flawed by nature. We are not perfect. We make mistakes all the time. For example, last time I came in the class, I came late because of XYZ reasons, right? So we bound to make mistakes. We are fallible human beings. We make mistakes all the time. Number one. So partners or our spouse are going to make mistakes. They are not infallible, right? God is only infallible. Human beings are not. So what things should be mind, as you mentioned, that loyalty, that's very important. Second thing you mentioned, that honesty, these are very important traits. Some people might say that connection. For example, I should be connected with my partner. For example, if I'm not able to connect with my partner, there is a no mutual understanding between each other. So there has to be understanding. Then compatibility, as you mentioned already, that lady is liberal, for example, and I am a traditional. I believe, for example, that lady should take care of my parents. And she believes I don't care about your parents. I just want to have fun in my life. Who the hell are you? Before get married, you should have told me. So before anybody get married, they have to sign a contract in a prenuptial agreement that okay, I want this, and these are my values. You can't that refuse this. You can't turn down on me. You have to accept my offer. So, for example, your values are like you believe in God. That lady doesn't believe in God, for example, or that spouse doesn't believe in God. There will be mismatch. Now, your children upbringing, there will be a drastic change. Man, it has a profound impact on each and every one of us if you don't understand. So, we have to understand our values, connection, compatibility, commitment. These all go hand in hand. So, we have to understand our partner, and then we should be getting married.